I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn subtraction within 20 together, step by step. Subtracting means taking some away from a group. If you have 9 and take away 4, 5 are left. The minus sign tells us to take away. A number bond shows a whole and its two parts. If the whole is 10 and one part is 6, the other part is 4. So 10 take away 6 is 4. Another way is to count back. Start at 13 and count back 3, 12, 11, 10. So 13 take away 3 is 10. Count backward each step. Let us do 15 take away 7. The whole is 15 and one part is 7. What is the missing part? It is 8. So 15 take away 7 is 8. So subtracting means taking away to see what is left. Number bonds show the whole and its parts, and you can always count back. You did it! Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.